Have you ever cleaned your car, vacuumed the seats, wiped the dashboard? But it still looks dirty. The stains are gone, but the smell is still there. The vents are dusty. The seams still look nasty. Here's the truth. Regular cleaners only clean the surface. Steam cleans deep. Today I'm counting down the top 5 best steam cleaners for car detailing, starting from number 5 and ending with the best one at number 1. If you're a beginner and don't want a big, heavy machine, the Vminno handheld steam cleaner is a great place to start. It heats up in just 15 seconds and offers 3 adjustable steam levels, so you can safely clean delicate surfaces or blast tough grease. With 14 included accessories, it easily handles car vents, cup holders, seats, and door panels. It uses chemical-free steam, making it safe for kids, pets, and sensitive interiors. With strong ratings and simple operation, this is an excellent entry-level steam cleaner for car detailing. Quick question, handheld or canister? Which would you choose? Next up is a trusted name in steam cleaning, Wagner. The AutoRight 905E uses 212-degree high-temperature steam to break down grease, stains, and grime without chemicals. It works great on leather seats, carpets, dashboards, and windows, making it perfect for both car detailing and home cleaning. With 12 accessories and an easy-to-carry design, this steam cleaner is powerful, but still user-friendly. Its high ratings and bestseller status make it a safe and reliable choice. But the next one brings even more power. Number 3. If you deal with stubborn stains and heavy dirt, the Flgocexs steam cleaner is built for serious cleaning. Powered by a 2,500 watt motor, it produces high-pressure steam in just 15 seconds. The 1.6 liter water tank allows longer cleaning sessions without constant refilling, which is perfect for full interior detailing. With 16 accessories, you can clean tight gaps, floor mats, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas easily. This is a great option if you want maximum cleaning power without going fully professional. If you're enjoying this list, hit the like button. It really helps. Number 2. If portability matters to you, the Koutop steam cleaner offers an excellent balance of power and convenience. It heats up in 15 seconds and delivers strong steam pressure that penetrates fabric, vents, and grout. The 3-level adjustable handle lets you control steam output for different surfaces, while its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your car. With 16 professional accessories, it's perfect for car detailing, furniture, and household cleaning. This one is often praised as a value-for-money steam cleaner. Which one is your favorite so far? Comment the number below. Now for the best overall steam cleaner on this list. Number 1, the McCulloch MC1 385 is designed for people who want professional level car detailing at home. Its massive 64-ounce tank delivers up to 2 hours of continuous steam, so you can clean an entire car without stopping. With 23 accessories, a long hose, and extended power cord, you can reach every corner, from carpets and seats to vents and wheels. It's powerful, chemical-free, and backed by tens of thousands of positive reviews, which is why it earns the number 1 spot. If you want one machine that does it all, this is the clear winner. Quick recap. Number 5, Vminno, beginner-friendly handheld. Number 4, Wagner, trusted and balanced. Number 3, Flgocexs, high power. Number 2, Koutop, portable and versatile. Number 1, McCulloch, best overall for car detailing. All product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, like the video, comment. Your favorite, share it with a car lover. Subscribe for more car detailing content. Coming next, best car interior cleaning tools that actually work. See you in the next one.